MLA Sutnga-saipung ka kong Santa Mary Shela mentakasi kala Plie paidbah yak umbam umdi hasnong Pyrtakuna East Jungle District ka Pyrtakuna Water Supply Scheme WSS ka bahapo ka scheme Jal Jeevan Mission JJM ginong shnong jang ka Pyrtakuna ro kila penpawi ka dorkman ka bakaman namar kila yo paho yak haki thliu ying jongki haki school bad haki akan wadi center Katanat PhD kala pentre ya katai ka projek sam hasnong Pyrtakuna haka jinglun ka bakenjo syaka shiklur prapulai lak tingka mat kila don hadu sispa nyuteli kilong yeng kibla yo ya kani ka haki yeng kisam jongki Deputy Commissioner East Jungle District Ushivan Chawasti IS ulong bakalong ka badan kambanyo ya ka ka babha haki yeng kisam namar ka babha kaya da nakikhyang jingpang ukan manru bakane ka project sam kan nang yai beteng haki por ki banwan ru da ka ba an persang ban penne pensa yaki telong bat halor kani ke jingthmu ban penne yaki telong Deputy Commissioner ulong ba sa skhim ya ka jingitrailang sabat kiwe kitanat katanat Soil and Water Conservation bat katanat Water Resources Department wahi shnong Pyrtakuna uba love you bare uba penya ya ka program ulai ke jingkhublei sngongo ya ka MLA ka kong Santa Mary Shela ya Deputy Commissioner Ushivan Chawasti ya ka tanat PhD kiblala ban wanra bat penurlong ya ka ni ka project sam hapo shnong bat kadang ka jing sakhi ya ka jingyo hasnong uba love you bare ula phara kti ya baro kinong shnong akaba da ka jingman kinong shnong kila rakti kaba longru kadang ka jing ai khuble ya ki he ki ba penyo ya ka haman la ki thliu yeng
Warmest greetings of the day to all of you, and it is my honor and privilege to be present with you today on this very special day. I want to congratulate the village for this successful completion of JJM scheme in the village, where all 127 households of the village are going to get functional household tap connection. I would also like to thank the PHE department for the successful completion of this project. As we know that Jal Jeevan Mission was launched by Government of India to ensure that all households all across the country get functional household tap water connection. Because having a water source and having a functional tap water connection in your house is not a matter of service which the government is providing, but it is a kind of basic fundamental right now for every citizen. It is not just the matter of water, but if you get safe, hygienic water, the amount of time which the member of household take to go and fetch water from outside.
The unity chocho katewiti tangyo si Spanyol tu lagi yung makala Spanyol tu lagi yung wada yo kaneka tapi ya isam to wandu inogri ni kaneka to yo man la tlo yung hi ko ha chnong la kamu kit uka kaneka chnong pat ha yo man la ka vi pe yung kaneka to do I wan wai ga so ina de wai ga hadin na but pat komplain bitang ko ulum yo chuan agi wai ga yo pade berkome untuk mante me isa marwi ke yung yo iga gani poi gani kam kani ke skim wada belut ciklur thabole laksan soja ta hau belut iga gani ke skim me isa ka kam man hi ko man yung man sem yo iga ga e ko blela yo contractor tiba yo ke bil pu yo agi